Hello everyone, we're back with a new video. We're making this video for a keepsake and I hope you'll enjoy it too. Today we are heading to Tonglon Waterfall. It's gonna be a 2-hour drive, so it's a long ride. We're having our breakfast and after this we'll be heading towards our destination.
Let's go! Let's go!
We look so ugly. If it's near, we look so ugly, okay?
จะนั่งไหนหนูฮะ
เอาไปล่างคนนั้นคนหนาโซกรุ๊ปตัว
driver come doctor ฮะ Lang hoy pute ko he mata lang boleh.
Left lang ahin na.
Dito lang ahin na chite.
Ano manon sa mga lang. Go for dating. It's a dating spot.
It's free or what?
That is us so happily waving, and this is my friend who have changed their seats because they were feeling car sick apparently. So happy. And now we have reached Tuilapai. It's 26 kilometers from the district, and from here on it took us 1 hour to reach here, and from here on we are gonna go off-road. That means it's gonna be a bumpy ride starting here.
Lokso number 1. Lokso number 2 and 3. So they're finding a place to puke. This is, if you take home into Tuilapai. Welcome to Tuilapai Dukan.
Gari lang piana.
Lokso dyan yung muna. Kinahibog. Exchange. Uy!
We are approaching near. We don't need to go nowhere. We have all the hills here. There is there. They got. Hang let's Woo! Guys, we just reached. This is our final station. From here. From here we are going. Tui Kot Ham. Heng Lep subdivision, okay? Done.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's win. Lipstick. Trekking lipstick is a very importance of the world.
Yeah, what's up, man? What's up, man? G. I don't know if it is.
Chỉ lại hồ về của hiểm ấy thấy nè. Oh, it's
started climbing uphill now. I think we walked around a kilometer or two before we started the day. So I'm gonna add this part where we're struggling to climb this steep uphill because it was so slippery. It rained the day before, but it was so fun to climb this part, even though it was the hardest. So that was the steepest so far, and now we're gonna take a break for a while.
Oh my god! If I see freaking from my mouth again, my face.
I'll slap you, I'll remember that. Finally we reached! Wow.
One, two, three. This is after the cloud. Go, go, go.
Siya nuya ho lo he. Wow, big. Adang khatla. Ai lo ya siya ta. Oh my lord. Hả? Không không. 아전화 나요. So good.
It's worth it, but it wasn't a good.
내가 길게 나오게 해. Hay xong rồi kéo tao cả con nhau về. Ý bạn tùy thóc thôi. Mommy, thank you. Nó buồn cả đó.
Thôi mình ăn á.
Hey, we're going back.
We couldn't stay long because it was starting to rain and it's getting dark, and we had a long way to go back.
Okay. Kalam pizot na diw hi anna la anal ding ahin. Ikoto umlay sa ahe. Iko sa ahin. Busi ka ba ito kilaw eh? Let's keep some distance.
Yun na mo.
This is me going downhill. 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 And these are my friends.
This is me.
My friends. Really or what? Yes.
This is me, chilling.
Look at them struggling.
Putul, I like you, me.
We are all turning into Tarzan.
Putul ko betul mo.
Hindi malaki dito all dedicated alam mo.
Kadeng, putul ko naldi siya. Ako dito na